welcome to my little video. Thanks for clicking on it and all that carry on. I must have had a half decent thumbnail if you clicked on it. Well, in today's episode I'm in Wales. A lot of sheep here and motorhomes. Look at this epic bit. So we're on the way to Snowdon excuse me while I'm with a coughing. Snowdon Base campsite. No idea. My nephew, who's in the car behind, Ollie, with his dog, following us. He's sold his bike, so he's coming in his car. So we're booked into that campsite. Well, Ollie booked it. I'm just turning up. Thought I'd go on a little mini adventure for the weekend. So what I'm planning on doing is filming as much as I can. Oh, I wasn't going to film anything till I get there, but I don't want to miss out on all this because this looks epic scenery. It's very Scottish looking around this parts. A lot of it on the way in was a little bit like just whatever scenery, isn't it? But it seems to be getting more rugged, and every now and then one of these bends nearly catches you out when you're looking at big hills and sheep and stuff. So anyway, I was telling you what I was about to film an hour ago before I started waffling this purr. So I'm going to film the campsite. I will give you a little what I think about it and all that carry on, and see what's around the campsite, the amenities and so forth. No idea how much it costs, but I'll put that in a video once. In fact, I think I still owe Ollie. No, I don't. I'll give him some money. I bought the food. We'll video the food as well. Wow. I bet you can't wait, can you? And then I'm going to go out and about, have a little bumble tomorrow, do a bit more filming, some epic scenery like we're looking at now. Try and find my bearings because I'm like, we're driving down this road filming this. Isn't it lovely? Got no idea where I am. Wales. That's as good as I can get. That's as far as I'll narrow it down. I shall also run through the camping gear because we are camping on the campsite. We haven't got like a chalet or a whatever. We're actually in the tent. So I've got all my camping stuff on the bike. So I'll run through that because I was going to do that at the Isle of Man and I never got around to it. So yeah, I'll run through all my camping stuff and then see what else inspires. Get the drone out if I can figure out how to fly it again. It's not been up for a while. And yeah, just basically try and have an epic awesome time. Bloody freezing here. When we left it was like 26 degrees and it's dropped to 16, and I've had to just stop. Well, I stopped to water the countryside, if you know what I mean, and put a hoodie on underneath my jacket because like an idiot I took my liner out of this jacket, which is great in 26 degrees because the air goes straight through this Gore-Tex and it's pretty nice. But now I'm frigging freezing. I've got my heating grips on as well. So yeah, it's dropped to about 10 degrees since we left home, but it is 5:30 in the evening. It took us an hour to get through bloody Birmingham as usual, so yeah. Anyway, that was the horrible bit done, getting through Birmingham. Horrendous traffic. But you know, it's the pleasure and pain thing, the yin and yang. Hopefully that's as much pain as we're going to get. M6 pain. To be rewarded by pleasurable Wales. Please don't rain. It says it might rain. We've got 40% chance of rain from 7 o'clock, it said on my iPhone. So I've got an hour and a half. So I don't want it to rain before we set up, ideally. It's 40% chance of rain. So that means 60% in favour of no rain. I'll take that, sod it. It is what it is, isn't it? Can't just sit in your house thinking, oh, I'm not going to go out in case it rains. Anyway, you get the gist. I'm going to switch the camera off now and I'll resume when we get to the campsite. See? Oh, look at it now. Oh, God. Literally like 20 minutes. That would be nice with the sun out. Literally about 20 minutes away from the campsite, and oh no, it's steaming up now. And it starts peeing it down like this. Well, it did forecast it, so I can't really moan, even though I'm going to moan a bit because the usual standard practice, can't see where I'm going and Oh, I got my waterproofs on. Da, 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 da. Yeah, I think we're about 2 minutes away. The sat-nav keeps having a hissy fit. There's no phone signal. I haven't had any phone signal for a bit. And probably no GPS. Is that what you need for the sat-nav? I'm assuming that's all you need. If so, there ain't a lot of it here. Oh, visor open, glasses wet and steamy. Right, Ollie's in front in his car now, so... Oh, now my sat-nav's... Oh, it says it's literally here. Well, now we're lost, because... we're lost in the rain. It looks like we're going left. Because within fine fashion, the postcode takes you to literally not the place. But he seems to, no you don't. I know.
I'm not too sure where it's...
I ain't got a clue. I knew it'd rain. Because it said it was going to rain, and lo and behold it did. The only time when the weather app is right, I don't want it to be right. Ugh, God. Was that the pub that they were on about down the road? I'm going to pull in that little bit there, Ollie. If I can find first gear. Oh, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't mind being a bit lost, but it's, you know what I mean? Oh, hang on here.
Check in at the pub.
Oh, is that what we do? Ah, well done. I've got to check in at the pub, apparently. Eh? Yeah, it might be. We'll check in at the pub then, see what's what. They make you buy stuff in the pub. Anyway, don't mind. It's all part of the adventure, isn't it? Oh, you. Thank you very much, young man. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Foreign Person. Netherlands. Oof. Right, are you definitely turning? Yeah, you are. Right, check in at the pub, but there's double yellow lines outside the pub, and that's where they get you, innit? Snowdon Base camp. Look, we've got to be in the right bit. Right, let's check out.